this is Chanel with WTI, and these are my lights. Boom! They're amazing. Every time I walk into the bedroom, it just makes me so happy. Lights are essential, you know, in every house, but pretty lights, these just make me feel so happy. They aren't just like a strip of LED lights. It's feet and feet of LED lights, and I love that I am able to make different designs with them, spread them across the bedroom, put them in the living room. They fill up a good size space. I've had these lights for 3 years now, and they still work amazing. I'm extremely happy that I still have them. We use them every night. Instead of turning on the normal light bulb, we just turn on these lights. They're dimmable. These lights, I love how much they can dim and how bright they can get. It's a really good balance between the both. And so we again just really love being able to use them. We do use them every night because they just make you happy, you know? But again, they make me so happy, and I'm so glad that I have them and that they've lasted this long. It's just awesome. And so those are my lights, and I love them, and that is my point of view.